Today, I'm going to teach you how to arrange notebook pages in OneNote. This is a really useful skill when you want to organize your notes more efficiently and keep your workspace tidy. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've launched the application, give it a moment to fully load all your content. You'll want to make sure everything is ready before you start rearranging things. Once your notebook has been loaded, arranging your notebook pages in OneNote is quite straightforward. Look at your left side menu where all your pages are listed. This is your page navigation panel, and it's where you'll be doing most of the work. The pages are typically displayed in a vertical list, making it easy to see everything at a glance. From here, you can manually arrange your pages by dragging and repositioning them. This method gives you complete control over the exact order you want. Simply click and hold on any page title, then drag it up or down to where you'd like it to sit. As you drag, you'll see the page move in real time, and you can release it once it's in the perfect spot. This manual approach is great when you have a specific order in mind that doesn't follow any particular pattern. Another way to arrange your pages is by clicking on the Sort button located on the top part of the page panel. This button is typically represented by an icon that looks like sorting lines or an A to Z symbol. Click on it to reveal sorting options. This will open a small menu with different ways to organize your pages automatically. You can sort your pages from here alphabetically, by date created, and by date modified. Sorting alphabetically is perfect when you have pages with clear naming conventions and you want them in A to Z order. Sorting by date created is useful when you want to see your oldest notes first or your newest ones at the top. And sorting by date modified helps you quickly find the pages you've been working on most recently. Each of these sorting methods instantly rearranges your entire page list according to that criteria. Those are the ways to arrange your notebook pages in OneNote. Whether you prefer the hands-on approach of dragging pages manually or the quick efficiency of automatic sorting, you now have full control over how your notes are organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.